Punta ako sa
Canada?
Mindanao. Sa, I think, Cebu.
Oh, thank you.
Nothing.
Buttons. Push the buttons.
Right.
Feels very good, boy. Yeah, I love those commercials.
Yeah.
I've never seen that. Hindi ko nakita yung commercial dito. Kasi,
Yeah, wala. Pero nakita ko Pillsbury Doughboy sa palengke.
that Pillsbury...
Yeah, I was gonna buy it.
Yung kanina, I saw Pillsbury flour. Diba?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, that Pillsbury what? Cookies?
No, they were like buns, but they're too expensive, so I bought the buns instead.
Oh. Let's see.
I was being matipid.
Pandesal. Pillsbury pandesal.
So it's very croissants.
Never.
Sorry.
Ito,
Do you like croissants?
chocolate croissants. Have you had that before?
Yes.
Sarap.
Kasi, ang pinsan ko is, ang asawa niya, taga France. So we always have like croissants and pastries. Every time I go out with them, they always want to eat at like French.
Really?
Yeah.
One of my good friends is French here. He's been living here for almost 5 years now.
Oh.
As in, he has the accent and everything.
Really?
Yeah. With his mate.
Oh. Okay. Is he working here?
At first, modelo siya. Pero ngayon, he's the owner, not the owner, but manager of a club.
I see.
Yeah.
He's full French?
Full French, yeah.
Okay.
Puro, all white,
Yeah.
white boy.
Taga France.
Yeah.
Okay. Not French Canadian.
Oh no, iba. Oh, that's big time difference.
Yeah, no, it is a big difference. My cousin-in-law is from France.
What do you call them in Canada then?
French Canadian.
Okay.
French Canadian.
French Canadian. I see.
Canadian.
Canada.
Canadian.
Canadian.
French Canadian.
French Canadian. Interesting. I would love to have Korean food now, actually.
Yeah.
A nice malaking bowl ng ramen. In Boracay, they have a lot of Korean restaurants.
Is he?
You didn't really explore.
No. I was looking at hotels. I didn't know. It was kind of boring.
Don't worry, this will be your year. Well, 2008 will be your year. Maraming bagong
establishments.
Yeah. Ang gagawin.
Super commercialized sa Boracay.
It's starting to be that way, yeah.
Medyo